everyone. Welcome back to Android Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to play YouTube videos in background while using your iPhone. We all love to play YouTube videos in the background because most probably when we are traveling, it brings us a lot of happiness. So over here I'm going to play this up. And as you can see, this is one of the very famous series in India. Even though now if I skip this up, you can see the series is not being played. But this video is going to show you how you can play this particular series even though if you go back to your home screen. So to the users outside from the US, you have to pay for YouTube Premium subscription, but those who are in the US can do this by making a few changes in the settings. So let's dive into the video first. The first one is all about you have to tap over here in the settings. Now from here you have to navigate to the general. And there is an option called picture in picture. You have to tap this particular icon, and right now as you can see the start pip automatically is turned off. We have to turn this on. Now after turning this on, you just need to go back to the YouTube and try, and it will not be working because I'm going to demonstrate you. Just go over here and I'll be showing you. Even if you play this right now, this is not going to work. So if I go back, see, it's not working because we need to make one more changes in the YouTube app. So the change is all about, we just need to go over here in the YouTube app and you have to tap over here in the bottom icon. You have to tap on this particular icon. Now you just need to tap over here on the gear icon at the top right. Tap on this particular icon. Okay. Now from here we have to navigate to general. Now from here there is an option called picture in picture. So just turn this on. So once you turn this on, just go back, and now I'm gonna go to the YouTube once again. Now I'm going to play the series which I did in the video that I'm going to play over here. And right now as you can see the series is streaming. Now I'm going back to the home screen. Now still it's being playing in the background. So this is how you can play YouTube videos in the background while using an iPhone. And I hope this quick video is helpful. You can watch not only this particular series, you can watch everything in the YouTube like this, which is very easy. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.